Hey folks, I'm Tom Busby, and I always like to cover risk at the very first thing when we talk about trading. There's a high degree of risk involved in trading. I always tell people, past performance is not indicative of future results. Now, this was given to me a long time ago because you have to think of every trade as one of the next 10,000. It puts things in perspective. It makes you think long term rather than get all tore up and all upset about one trade, which blocks you from making money. This was a great quote given to me about 20 years ago, and I'm sharing it with you because I think you ought to post it on your computer and think about this the next time something doesn't work out. Just one of the next 10,000. How to get started trading options. I call it how to get started trading the art of option trading. Very important to have the right steps, especially if you're new to options. This is a very hard game, and I want you to learn it the right way. Spend a lot of time studying what we put together here at DTI. We have unique numbers that pay. We study numbers, not charts. When you go to trade, you're trading numbers, not charts. A lot of people make that mistake. Get started the right way. Numbers tell us when to get in, in other words, trigger ourselves in, when to get out when we're at a target or when it goes bad, and when to take profits. Learning the numbers from the beginning is very smart. You also need to learn your trading platform. I see a lot of people get their account set up. They don't know how to put orders in. They don't know about stop orders. They don't know about limit orders. Don't know about OCO orders. They don't know about market orders. Learn your trading platform. Your broker will give you plenty of good videos. Take the time and learn that platform before you put any real money in there. Your broker will have those videos. You need to find those. Also have your broker's number in case your electronic system goes down. Always tell people that. Have it in your phone. It will happen. Now, I found this years ago, www.optionplaybook.com. It's one of the best free sources on the internet for learning options, basic concepts. So if you hear something, you say, what's an iron condor? You can go look it up in this book. Read about it, understand it, ask questions. Once you become a DTI member, you become eligible to get our proprietary Options Made Simple DTI style course. Took us about 3.5 months to make it. This course will show you how to make money with options through entry, exit, and maintain. Now, brokerage account criteria. All brokers are about the same. However, one broker doesn't fit everybody. You need to know what commissions are. You can kill yourself with commissions. How easy it is to use that broker. Find brokers that are in the business of understanding options. Some do not fit. You can't take a Fidelity and make it an option broker. It's a great broker, but you can't take it and make an option broker. Go to someone that specializes in options. They know about commissions, you'll get a better rate, and one that fits you. Establish a money management plan. I tell people to follow. If you got $10,000, divide it by 10. It gives you $1,000 for each option you might buy. Now, I'm not saying go put $1,000 in that option. Use some percentage of that block or that silo of money, meaning take whatever capital you plan to trade, allocate it, and don't ever put more than 1/10 on any one trade. Most people that get into options lose money. You need to know that right from the get-go. You got to ask yourself, why do they lose money? I think it's lack of education. Sometimes it's bad choices in what they do, but generally speaking, it comes to lack of education, not having the proper strategies. Challenge yourself to learn a lot of different strategies because the market changes during the year, it changes during the day. It changes all the time, so you got to have knowledge. Educate yourself. They forget about the option position, they get it on, and they check it. It's not a stock. You got to monitor that option position. They don't set exit plans at a target or at a loss. Learn my 72-hour rule. I put a clock on any new option to say I'm going to revisit that option at least once in the next 72 hours to determine if I want to keep it or pitch it. That's a big decision. The 72-hour rule asks self-questions. Is the option making money? Do I think it's got more to go? What are the odds of it keep trending the way it's trending? All these type questions are asked when I'm trying to make that decision. Or if I'm just totally wrong, should I get out and move on? If you're not making money after 72 hours, the market's sending you a message, isn't it? I'll typically exit that trade and don't look back. Now, Taking losses is very difficult, whether you're a beginning trader or an experienced trader. Think of it this way. If you salvage any money out of a losing option trade, you might be able to invest that option money into another option that might make you money. Think about the odds. We're speculators, not gamblers. Sometimes speculation goes wrong, you got to take a loss. Put that capital in another trade where the odds are in your favor. I've seen it happen many times where a small amount of money comes back big time with better odds of making money. Again, I said at the beginning today, know the numbers that pay. Here's a video that discusses numbers that pay. I continue to build out these videos, so join my new YouTube channel. Here it is, www.youtube.com/@TBuzzTNT. As I always say, see you on the flip side.